KTM is once again stealing the spotlight in the rally raid world with the launch of their latest machines, the 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica and the ultra-limited 450 Rally Replica Sanders Edition. These bikes aren't just built for the pros tearing up the Dakar Rally, they're also a favorite weapon of choice for privateers in the grueling Mali Moto class, as well as competitors in Rally 2 and Rally GP. While the number of customer rally bikes has steadily grown, the KTM 450 Rally Replica remains the most dominant and popular bike on the stage. Developed with input from Dakar legends like Marc Coma, Matthias Walkner, Toby Price, Kevin Benavides, and the latest Aussie sensation Daniel Sanders, this machine is battle-tested. Its reliability was once again proven at the 2025 Dakar Rally when Emmanuel Gines clinched victory in the original by Motologues class with an all-KTM podium sweep to seal the deal. The 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica is limited to just 150 units, hand-assembled at KTM's Mattighofen facility by their dedicated motorsport division, making it one of the most authentic rally replicas a customer can actually own. Underneath, it still packs a 450 cubic centimeter single overhead camshaft, single-cylinder engine with fuel injection and a 6-speed gearbox. The frame is hand-welded at KTM Motorsports, using laser-cut and hydroformed components that deliver outstanding feedback, excellent energy absorption, and rock-solid stability on high-speed straights. Key features include a 3-tank fuel system with a total capacity of around 34.5 liters, a WP Pro Components 48mm WP XAT Pro 75/48 closed cartridge cone valve front suspension paired with CNC machine triple clamps featuring a 23mm offset. On top of that, you get KTM's Progressive Handlebar Damping System, or PHDS, and a Scott steering damper to keep things planted at speed. The rear suspension is a fully adjustable WP XAT Pro 7750 shock matched to a die-cast swing arm. While the technical specs might look largely unchanged from the 2025 model, at least based on what KTM's officially revealed, the real excitement lies in the new 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica Sanders Edition, an ultra-exclusive build limited to just 5 units worldwide. Each bike comes personally signed by Daniel Sanders himself and will be handed over in person at the 2025 KTM Europe Adventure Rally in Romania, where buyers also get an exclusive chance to ride alongside the man himself. This special edition is decked out in full Red Bull team livery, with Sanders' signature number plate, limited edition badges numbered 001 to 005, a Cell Dalla Valle race seat, factory wheels wrapped in Michelin race tires, an extra set of homologated wheels with street-legal tires, racing brake discs, personalized Sanders fuel caps, color-coded handguards, titanium foot pegs, a titanium Akrapovic exhaust with laser-etched details, a signed Daniel Sanders race jersey, an extra windshield with the owner's name and number, and a VIP package for the 2025 KTM Europe Adventure Rally. Not to mention, the full KTM factory racing rally team, complete with support trucks and pro mechanics, will be there to back up these 5 lucky owners for the duration of the event. So far, the KTM 450 Rally Replica has secured its place as the most successful bike in Dakar Rally history. With 11 Dakar victories from 20 starts and a staggering 245 stage wins, it stands as the closest thing to a factory race bike that a customer can actually purchase. Its legendary toughness, unmatched race pedigree, and dominant reputation in the world of rally raid make the KTM 450 Rally Replica the ultimate dream machine for any serious rally fan. And there you have it, a quick look at the 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica and the insane, ultra-rare Sanders Edition that's about to shake up the rally world. It's not just about performance, it's about history, exclusivity, and unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.